Hi guys, I hope you all are doing good and welcome back to my channel guys. In today's video, I'm going to be creating this beautiful monochromatic look with a bit of glossy lips. You can wear it in the night time, you can wear it in the daytime. It's super easy to create. So let's dive right in the video. So the first thing I do here is I'm going to take this Mamaearth Glow Serum Foundation guys, and it has skincare properties. It has turmeric, vitamin C, which also helps in giving that beautiful glow to the skin. It gives that perfect coverage guys, and it is easily blendable. This is a super lightweight formula guys, and if I want I can build it up, but I'm not going to use much. Just 2 pumps is going to be enough, and the shade I'm going to be using today is Almond Glow. It goes nice with my complexion, and just take time with blending because that is the way to achieve a flawless base. Now this foundation consists of turmeric and vitamin C, which helps in giving you that glow, and if you use my code RITU2022 you're gonna get extra 20% off on their official website guys. The products are available on Flipkart, Purple, Nykaa, Mamaearth and Amazon. After that, once I'm done blending the foundation guys, we are going to be moving on to concealer. Now I have this trick that I'm doing since a long time, that I take a concealer 2 shades darker than my skin tone and one concealer 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, and then I conceal the places I want to. It helps in blurring the pigmentation away I have underneath my eyes, on my nose or around my mouth, and it also helps in highlighting it up. Taking a concealer brush, I'm gonna blend it out, and guys, the reason why I do not go for a makeup sponge here is it absorbs product, but I need a bit of coverage around my eyes, so a concealer brush works very nicely for me. And guys, why I choose Mamaearth is because it is an Indian brand guys. They do not use any harmful chemicals. Their products are toxin free. They recycle plastic, and every time you make a purchase from them, Mamaearth will link your order to a website, to the tree that they plant. So yes, after that I'm gonna take this sponge and blend it all out so that I have a seamless base to work on. After that we are gonna be moving on to compact guys, and today I will be using this Glow Oil Control Compact from Mamaearth. This is a talc-free formula guys, which is easily blendable. It has SPF 30, so it is going to protect your skin from that harmful UVA and UVB rays. It is free from toxins guys, and it suits almost all Indian skin tones, and it also gives glow to the skin for 12 hours. No harmful chemicals guys, so that is going to be the best part. I'm just going to set the areas up, and then we will be moving on to using the blush. And blush just helps in adding a color to the face. I love guys, and the people who falls in the complexion just as mine, you can go for maybe nudes if you do not want that heavy glowy makeup, or you can go for just a very subtle base or a coral base. After that guys, we are going to be moving on to lips, and for this I will be using this lip contour pencil. So here is a hack guys, if you want your lips to look big, just use a contour pencil, which are easily available around and they are very cheap. Go for a nude shade which suits your complexion guys, and I love this very beautiful nude shade that I have. I will make sure that I give the products links in the description box below guys. And then because we are doing a monochromatic makeup, I'm gonna take a eyeshadow which is again nude, has a bit of browns and pinks, and I'm gonna apply it all over my lids. I blend it out guys. I'm not gonna take any other color. So yes, this is how it is gonna look like. Very subtle, very beautiful, and it will just uplift your whole face because I have tried to make it curve in a upward motion. And then curl your lashes. This is gonna be the most important step again, and that is gonna be applying mascara. Now applying the mascara in the right way can open up your eyes and gives a lot of volume to your lashes, and I believe that it is the most important part. Just a good mascara and you're good to go. After that, in the end guys, I am gonna be applying a highlighter to give that glow to the face. And guys, here I am done. This is how the makeup look turned out to be. I really loved it so much. This beautiful monochromatic look can be worn throughout the day or at the night if you guys want. It's a very subtle look guys, and I love the foundation. It stays intact for 12 hours. I love the compact. You can check out the products links in the description box below. Till then, take care. Bye bye, guys. I love you all so much.